Hi, Dewdrops! Pip here. Today we had a new friend move into the Sunshine Forest. His name is Toby Turtle. Toby had a big wagon full of boxes, and he needed help carrying them to his new den. First, we tried pushing the boxes. We leaned against them and pushed them across the ground. Slowly, they started sliding forward. Then we grabbed the handles on the wagon and pulled it across the path. Both ways helped move the boxes. That's because things move when we push or pull them. A push moves something away from you, and a pull brings something close to you. We pushed the boxes across the clearing and we pulled the wagon up the hill. For the love of fireflies, Toby has a lot of boxes. Oh, I think I see one that says snacks. I better help him move that one first. Bye, Dewdrops. Don't forget to make your fairy tales today. Coming, Toby.